The Irish Tax Administration has been working on a collaborative basis with our EU colleagues and with the European Commission for the last 10 years to create systems that meet the demands of the digital economy. E-commerce in Europe is growing at over 16% a year in the EU, and we wanted to modernise the VAT system to make it fit for purpose. The new one-stop shop and the import one-stop shop does that. It simplifies the obligations for everyone involved in cross-border supply chains. So businesses can now sell into all EU member states by registering only once in the portal and in the language of their choice. And the system has massively simplified VAT obligations and compliance for online traders. The new rules have introduced a more level playing field for the EU businesses because they don't have to compete any longer with goods which were undervalued for customs purposes coming from outside the EU. A non-EU supplier who's selling to a consumer in the EU will be able to register for the import one-stop shop. It allowed them to register in one member state in respect of all their supplies right across the EU where the consignment value is less than €150. They can report and pay all of their import VAT in one monthly return. So the benefit for the consumer is that the VAT is charged at checkout, at the point of sale. Once the IOSS number is quoted, the goods move very quickly through customs without the need for import VAT to be paid at the point of importation. So the consumer has certainty because they know the total bill at checkout. There's no additional VAT, there's no additional administrative charges when the goods are delivered. From our perspective, for a business, for consumers, it's a win-win. The impact of the changes have been significant for EU member states. In the first 6 months of operation, almost €8 billion in VAT was collected and over 100,000 traders have registered for the new schemes. We have seen a 50% rise in registrations and these traders have paid in well over 30% of the total VAT paid right across the EU. I'm aware it's early days, but the initial findings and our own surveys among traders and agents has been that the scheme has been incredibly successful and the new rules are supporting sustainable economic growth and our common economic recovery. The Irish Revenue Commissioners play a vital role in the economy because we secure taxes and the duties that are due to the state. The primary objective is to maximise the extent to which individuals and businesses voluntarily comply with their tax and duty obligations by making it easy for them to comply. The main aim of the e-commerce package was to create a fairer, simpler and more harmonised system of taxation by removing barriers to trade and making it easier to comply. So the two objectives are very closely aligned, and that's why we've been so supportive of the European Commission's e-commerce changes over the last 10 years.